Hey guys, it's Migs. Today we're going to be installing some precision LED lights for the Toyota 4Runner. I got a 2015 TRDPro. I got hooked up with these bad boys, precision LED, and we'll go to the shop real quick here in a little bit, and we'll get those bad boys installed. All right, here we go. Precision LED lighting here. And let's see what's in the box here. See what we got. So it's got all the stuff that we need. Oh, perfect. Look at that. Trim tool set. Everything is labeled as it should be. Trunk lights. License plate light. Vanity. And looks like extra spares here for, not sure, just extras somewhere. I don't know. We'll figure that out as soon as we go by. But I got this on Black Friday sale. Had a pretty good deal. So I've seen some good reviews on these bad boys. And of course, changing the halogen lights, so it should be good. Alright folks, so we're going to start with this one right here. It's on the driver's side. You want to start off with the serrated tool that they gave to you, provided in there. And you'll see closest to the, I guess, the on switch area right here, you'll see a little spot there where you can take your wedge tool here and push in and squeeze and down. It's going to release this latch here right there, and then you can just unclip this bad boy here. Well, you're better than I am. Just right there, it's going to all separate, and you'll see your bulb right there inside. And what you want to do next to release that bulb, you can take it out like that, but it's like dropping a pick in a guitar, and it's never fun. You got to shake it out. But anyways, you don't want to break the bulb, just in case you need a backup for some reason. Anyways, there's little clips here. It's pretty easy to take off. Just separate them. It's going to come out just like so. And you release that, and you'll see that bulb there. Just take that one there out and swap it with the trunk lights that they gave you. Again, everything's labeled, so that's pretty awesome. I dig that. Makes things a lot easier. All right, and you'll see the casing there, and then the lights on the other side. Make sure those are facing out, right? Otherwise, you won't be lighting up anything. Now, and obviously, you want to go ahead and put this back together. Be easy with it. All it's plastic. You don't want to break it. That would be not a good day for anybody. Set like that. What you want to go ahead and do is reconnect this and go ahead and test it. Look at that. It did not work. Alrighty, so sometimes a problem exists between the computer and the chair. PEBCAC, which means me, that was an operation error. So let's get this back in. So it's there. Click it back in. Minor little setback, but that's okay. First time videos are everything. Boom, look at that, nice and pretty. All right, so let's go ahead and settle that one back in, and that one's good to go. On to the next. All right, y'all, so this next setup is gonna be for your map lights. It's gonna be this one right here. Again, they're all labeled for you, which is really cool. I like that a lot. So what you're gonna use for this one is gonna be your serrated tool as well. There are 4 points of contact here, 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 and here. Suggesting right here is going to be your first point of contact and to start. That's the one furthest away from the units. Click there and just kind of work your way around. There you go. Be gentle. Again, you don't want to break anything. Not be a good idea. All right, boom, right there. So that's off. And I also take this one off as well, just to get a little bit more play when it comes to taking off this smaller light. I already went ahead and did this light over here. Again, this is trial and error, right? Anyways, Precision recommends using a piece of tape here to basically wrap around the light bulb because it's so small, and that way you can get a little bit more of a grip. I'm not gonna lie, it's a pain in the rear. We got that one off pretty easy. Sweet. So we'll put that one in the old bag. And there's no polarity, there's no reverse polarity or whatnot on these bulbs. So for these ones, so just stick them on in. And let's see if they work. Aha. Let there be light. There it is. Alrighty, y'all, so the next one we're gonna do over here is the vanity lights. Get them properly packaged. It's still halogen, it wouldn't head into the driver's side already. So you wanna take your serrated tool here, the flat edge, push from this in, close to the driver. Reason being is there's a clip here and there's some wires up here, and that's gonna be the same thing for the driver's side. On the driver's side, the left is gonna be where that pin is. I'm gonna kinda wiggle it out just a little bit. There's that wire I was talking about. Pull out your old light. And install the precision LED. And just to give it a little test. Boom. Right as the sun. That's it. All right, next what we're gonna do here is the courtesy lights. It's gonna be right here. You're gonna take the pointed tool here and towards the interior of the car, interior of the door right here, this way. Take your pinch tool. Put it in there. Again, there's a clip on that interior area. Disconnect it. And it's gonna be a two-part assembly, and this is gonna be the same way for the rear as well. So let's go ahead and take a look at this and how to disassemble it. All right, guys, so here's your tool, or here's your lamp. Actually broke it trying to take it off. Mistake, pushed it the wrong way, but actually I noticed, if you notice there's a little arrow right there at the end to where your little notch is gonna be on the door, so that's a good indication. Anyways, so you're gonna take your pinch tool here, and right there's a little lever, a little clip. You're gonna wedge that tool in there on that clip and then kind of push out with your thumb. Boom, that's it. And your housing light's gonna be right there, and this all actually comes out together. Kind of wedge that up. Just like that. And then take your old dome light out. Put the one in. Make sure everything's fit snug, and you're gonna want to check it on your door. Alrighty, y'all. Here we go. Here. Click this back in, just like so, and then just tuck that in there. Click, and you're good to go. And the same thing is gonna work for your passenger side as well, and the rear seats, rear doors as well. All right, the last one we have to install is the dome light here. And you don't actually have to take off the whole fixture, it's just the case here, or the plate. And there's some indentions here and here to do that. And we're gonna use our pointed tool, kind of wedge up into there. Maybe. There we go. All right, plate just fell off. There it is. You're gonna see there's one latch here, I guess, or a piece of metal that will bend, and that will release your old halogen bulb, just like that. And you're gonna replace it with the dome light bag that was given to you in your package. And it's gonna be right here. And make sure your light boards are actually facing towards you. Go. Easiest way I found to do is kind of put it sideways and then flip it and test it. There it is. All right, guys, one more video before we go. seriously, just putting these in. It's nighttime here in Deutschland, and these things again are like 8,000 lumen, but seriously, they are bright as day, and I really like them. Really impressed with Precision LED for hooking this up. I'm new to this whole YouTube thing, so I hope you guys enjoyed it. Leave some comments below on how I can do any better. You guys take care. Adios.